Good evening, everybody. Welcome to tonight's severe weather live coverage of what is currently going on. As you can see, we have a lot of severe weather going on, especially across here, across portions of the Ohio River Valley. Thankfully, right now, we only have one tornado warning, but you can see just plenty of lightning associated with it. This one does include Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southeastern Dearborn County, and southeastern Indiana, northern Kenton County and northern Kentucky, central Campbell County, northern Kentucky, and also Boonville County in northern Kentucky. And be on the lookout for a possible tornado as we go ahead and take a look at how strong the rotation is on our super res velocity. Not really seeing too much signs of rotation, maybe a little bit right in there where the green is next to the red. That's where we might have a little bit of rotation, but other than that, really isn't that strong. However, you can see anywhere in this brighter green, that is where we have some of the stronger winds. To tell you how strong the winds are, we're going to be looking at winds anywhere from around 50 to 60 miles an hour. So a very, very, very dangerous situation that we currently are watching. And as you can see, just extremely heavy rain throughout this whole entire area. Thankfully, right now, we only have one tornado warning at this point. But we do have several different severe thunderstorm warnings at this point. So as you can see, here are all our current warnings. We currently have 3 special marine warnings, which are because of potential tropical cyclone 3. Then we have about 3 to 4 flash flood warnings, several different severe thunderstorm warnings, and thankfully at this point only one tornado warning. So once again, this is going to be all right along the border of Kentucky, Indiana, and then also in southwestern Ohio. Here are a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings that we have right now. As you can see, just plenty of lighting associated with all of these. And as you can see, anywhere in this red to yellow, extremely heavy rain. And as far as the winds go, we're currently seeing winds extremely, extremely strong. Anywhere in this yellow, we're seeing winds well over 70 miles an hour. So we're now getting into hurricane force winds. So a very, very, very dangerous situation that we currently are in right now. Give me just a second. There we go. All right. Appreciate the one viewer that we currently have. Thank you for watching the stream. So I want to put all of our main focus on our one tornado warning that we currently have. Let's try and get the best radar sight possible. So as you can see, really no signs of any types of rotation. Let's see if I can still get GR Analyst up, or if my subscription ends. Ooh, it ends tomorrow. Wait for it to download. So you can see here are all the current active warnings that we have on GR Analyst. Wait for the radar to finish up loading. There we go. So you can see here are all the different warnings that we currently have on GR Analyst. Just plenty of them, and then once again, we only have one tornado warning at this point. I mean, I'm not really seeing any types of rotation. Yeah, there's no rotation in any of this, so this tornado warning should be allowed to expire within the next couple of minutes. So this is actually right near the city of Cincinnati. Cincinnati is located right there And thankfully, the heaviest rain is now just to the southwest of that, but still we're seeing some pretty heavy rain. And then once again, really anywhere in this area right there, we're seeing very, very, very strong winds, as you can see by all of these brighter colors showing up. And I'll zoom in and I'll show you all. Winds well over, holy crud, almost 98 miles an hour. Wow. Almost just under 100 miles an hour winds. Wow. As we head back off towards our west, we also do have a couple of more severe thunderstorm warnings. And we could also maybe possibly be seeing some hail associated with this too. This is also just to the south of a place, of Indianapolis. Anywhere in these white little areas right here is where we have that. Oh my, come on, pen. Anywhere in these white areas right here is where we have that possibility of seeing some hail. And then as we go over to our hydrometer classification, anywhere in this yellow, we are seeing some large hail. So 2 different areas, one right there, and then also one right there. And you can just see plenty of lightning strikes within all of these. As far as any tornadic activity goes, I'm not really seeing any signs of rotation. Actually, maybe a little bit right in there. But other than that, it really isn't that strong. As far as tornadic activity goes, that's not really going to be the main concern. It's going to be the hail and also the very heavy rain. Once again, that tornado warning that is just to the southwest of Cincinnati should be able to expire within the next couple of minutes or so. As we head just to the southwest of Springfield, we also do have another severe thunderstorm warning with possible hail. Once again, anywhere in those white areas is where we have that possibility of seeing hail. And then as we go over to our super res velocity, as you can see, no signs of any rotation. And then as we go ahead and take a look at our hydrometer classification, no really signs of any hail. Come on, computer. Okay, radar scope just X'd out on me. Whoever is currently watching, can you please let me know who you are? Because I want to give you a shout out for being the only person that's watching it. So I really want to stay on this tornado warning until it expires. I'm honestly surprised that it hasn't yet, considering there's absolutely no signs of any rotation in it. Right here along this, come on, you stupid pen. Right here along this line right there, where the brightest green is closer to the darker green, that's where we're seeing some pretty dangerous winds right now. Once again, no signs of any rotation, so honestly, I would not be worried as far as a tornadic activity goes. Thankfully, you can see that we're definitely starting to see the winds die down. You can see that they were very, very bright on that side, and they are starting to die down, which is a very good thing. Try and go and see if we can get a good look at this system. You can see some very high cloud tops associated with this, and absolutely no signs of rotation. Once again, this warning should be able to expire in the next couple of minutes if it hasn't already. I do want to go ahead and show you all our current SPC outlook for today, because we do have a chance of seeing. I want to show you all the main area that we have of seeing severe weather today. So here is our SPC outlook for today, and you can see really anywhere in this brown right there, or I guess you could say orange, that's where we have the best shot of seeing severe weather today. So this does include portions of Iowa, going back into Illinois, Indiana, and then also a very small area in southwestern Ohio, and then also a little small area there in northern Kentucky. As you go into that yellow area, that's going to be your slight risk. So this does include western parts of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, the whole entire state of Ohio, northern Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, and then also parts of Iowa and also Missouri. Once again, I'm honestly shocked that this tornado warning has not expired yet, considering there is absolutely no signs of any rotation. We can go ahead and see if we're seeing any other signs of rotation that might indicate a tornado warning, though. Still seeing some very strong winds, well over 78 miles an hour. But other than that, the threat for severe weather is generally going to be low. As far as the tornadic activity goes, it really isn't going to be that high. And then other than that, the winds are just going to be really, really high. But other than that, that really is it for tonight. We could still be seeing some strong hail in a couple of different areas. But other than that, the threat for severe weather tonight is going to be generally low. So that's basically all I have for all of you, or that one person that's watching. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great